Yeah. Tell them. A G-foxx this, me no need practice. Some boy a try catch my flow like a copy. Got this pan lockdown like padlock did. Manufacture my rhymes, call me a factory. When me a shell them, I wrap up in a blanket. Me smoke the green like goat, eat with the brown like chocolate. Throw down like a wrestler, nothing to the talking. Both them a swing when a bulldog my walk with. Show me got a stink flow with them chatter dog shit. Me no freestyle when me spit it up to take it to the market. Bad man no fight with nails, but people say me crab it. Never grounds out, me no current, no electrician shit. Boy, I beg for the war, then regret when me start spit. Fire burning at the liquor store, then rum fire caught it. No what look for trouble, wait till me start, then me touch it. Say them a quenga and nobody do a charge. Them a something like under every girl in every panty. Feel like your bad call me name in your song, me numb your mind, blind your eye, make you can't see. Me just a singer so aggressive, so imagine if you war me. One man strong, I'm a bad like a army. Lyrics a chop like a lass, make you thin like salami. Incognito like I'm the kamikaze. Gun goes a ti. What I will ask the man say. Rotten head a sing a stink flow, but the one I make it rancid. Sing off the top of my head like me never plan fi. Them wear out like the neck pan a Gansy. Me a maestro and that a where them want be. Think them in my league and them can keep up only hardly. Tell them a G-foxx. Badness broadly. A G-foxx this. Me no need practice. Tell them a G-foxx this. Me no need practice.